I'm Dr. Bella Benedicto of Bacolod City. At the present, I'm a practicing Allergist-Immunologist here in the heart of Bacolod City. I am a fellow of the International College of Surgeons in the field of Obstetrics and Gynecology. I'm a fellow of the Philippine College of Occupational Medicine. I'm a certified family physician. With myself, I used to suffer hyperacidity because I do not eat my lunch at the same time. Sometimes I take, because of the pressure of patients, I sometimes take my lunch at 4 or 5 p.m., sometimes no lunch at all. So I started to develop hunger pangs most of the time. So I said, wait, why don't I try this probiotic? So I tried Pro 15, and surprise of all surprises, my secretary was surprised. I wouldn't ask for any PPIs, that's anti-acid. I don't feel any more hunger pangs. So I said, if it works for me, it must work for others. And I tried it to so many patients, and I'm very, very happy about it. Most of the probiotic in the market are only 4 strains, and they come from animal sources. So there's still a danger of allergy. But this time, this comes from human strain, so you can just take it up without thinking that you might have an adverse event on that. But did you know that the World Health Organization had already a guidelines in the use of probiotic as early as March 2015, that there is no limit as a number of capsules that you can take. So they themselves agree that there is no overdosage in taking this probiotic. If they could encourage an animal strain like Yakult and Lactobacilli shirota, how much more this human strain probiotics. From pediatric patients who keep on having cough and fever without having tuberculosis, without having any allergies or asthma, the disease was cut short by taking the probiotic. And these children who did not gain weight because they were always sick most of the time, when they came back for checkup, I was surprised. Their cheeks already had flesh on it. So I asked the mother, was there anything else that you gave your child? They say, no, only the medicine that you gave me. And that was Pro 15 that I told the mother to be dissolved in a little water in the morning before they take their formula. So I was just smiling to myself because how come in pediatric age group it adds mass? How come in adult they say that you're going to control your appetite and your abdominal mass, your abdominal girth to be exact, will become a little bit smaller. So maybe depending on the age group, the advantage comes out. So I said, maybe I am on the right track. The speaker in our convention, OB convention, was saying that in order to have an infant that doesn't have asthma at birth, give a probiotic. So I said, if as early as 12 to 15 years back, it was good, how much more now? By development and research, we already have these 15 strains. It must be better. Why? Probiotic can make you learn faster, memorize better, because when you take probiotics, it kills all the bacteria that fights off to eat the nutrients that you took, to take the vitamins that you took, to take the enzyme that you took. They fight over it, you know. It's just like one colony fighting for a tablespoon of vitamins. So when this bad bacteria and this virus and this fungus is killed by our good bacteria strain, then the nutrients and the enzyme and the vitamins will go straight to the area where it is needed, like for the brain, for instance. So if you have children who are learning not as fast as they should, I think it's good to give them a try. It should. Theoretically, it should heal faster because you're killing the bacteria that comes from the intestines and is carried by the blood throughout the body, especially to the area. If it can kill other bacteria, how much more this one and a 15 strain human type of probiotics. Not only that we had one advantage, we have it all. From the number, to the strain, to the trials, to the research and development. I think this is one time where we had it all. So that you can try it for yourself. Because the best is to try to believe. So you will get what you see. Because it improves your immunity. And that is what we need now. We don't need an enemy. We need an immunity among ourselves. Just like what the Philippines is on now. We should not rely on others. We should rely on ourselves. So that's the purpose of the Pro 15. The immunity inside us that is being improved by the strains of Pro 15 is going to fight out the bacteria, the virus, and the fungus inside us. You can trust your gut when you have your Pro 15 inside it.